I trusted everyone. I gave money to people to farm for me. Friends, relatives, even so-called experts. They sold fertilizer I bought, harvested my crops secretly, and sent me stories instead of produce. Hello and welcome. Today, I want to be very real with you. Let's talk about how I lost money in agriculture business and why I don't regret it. Now, this is not a motivational story. It's not rags to riches. It's a story of pain, mistakes, and lessons that I wish someone told me earlier. When I started in agriculture, I thought passion and honesty were enough. I believed that if your heart was pure and your intentions were good, everything would go smoothly. My brother, that belief nearly finished me. I trusted everyone. I gave money to people to farm for me. Friends, relatives, even so-called experts. They sold fertilizer I bought, harvested my crops secretly, and sent me stories instead of produce. By the time the season ended, I had lost millions of naira. I was angry, broken, and embarrassed. I felt stupid for trusting people too much. But that experience, that painful failure, became my best university. Because what I learned in that season, no seminar or YouTube video could have taught me. I realized something very deep. In Nigeria, trust is not a system. Structure is. You can pray, fast, and quote Bible verses about honesty, but without structure, people will test you, twist you, and drain you. So I stopped crying and started building systems. I began to document everything, written agreements, receipts, photographs. I even installed cameras in my warehouse as well. I stopped doing phone confirmation. Everything had to be in writing. I changed how I hired people. I paid attention to accountability, not emotions. That was when my business truly began to grow. The same experience that broke me became the reason my later businesses succeeded. I learned that failure is not your enemy. Ignorance is. Every time you fail, life is teaching you something that success hides. When you succeed easily, you don't learn structure. But when you fail, you start asking the right questions. Why did this go wrong? Who can I trust? How can I prevent it next time? That's how you build real experience. If you have ever lost money in agriculture, listen carefully to me. Don't give up. Loss is not the opposite of success. It is the school fees you pay to earn it. If you learn from it, it's not a loss, it's a lesson. And the next time, you won't lose the same way. I would rather lose money learning the right way than keep my money and stay ignorant. Every successful farmer, trader, or entrepreneur you admire has a story of loss. But what separates them from the rest is that they didn't stop there. They built systems. They kept moving. So don't regret your scars. Scars are proof that you tried. Learn from them. Build better systems and move again. Smarter, wiser, and stronger. That's how real entrepreneurs are made. If this message inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to Bashwan Talks. And if you want structured guidance on how to build a scalable agriculture business, join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description below. You can also grab my ebook on building a scalable agriculture commodities business. It will guide you step by step and help you avoid the same painful mistakes I made. See you in the next one. Goodbye.